Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I know. Yesterday I posted a video inspired by the new ABH and Alyssa Edwards palette, and today I'm posting another video inspired by the Colourpop Blue Moon palette. And basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by the color story within that palette without actually using the colors in that palette. I'm basically going to be using colors that I already own in my own personal collection, and I used those colors to create this look today. So if you want to see how I created this look right here, sorry, my hair is irritating me today. It's just like in this like really weird situation. I feel like I'm not really comfortable with it. But if you want to see how I created this look inspired by the Colourpop Blue Moon palette, then of course keep on watching. Colourpop decided to bless our hearts and curse our bank accounts when they released this new palette right here. This is called let me pull it up. It is called the Blue Moon palette. And yes, I don't know the name off the top of my head because I just woke up and I literally have not had my required amount of coffee for the day, so this is what you're getting today. So I'm filming this before work. Hopefully I won't be late for work, but I just love filming videos for you guys, so this is how it's gonna be. So I have the Morphe 39A palette, and there's like this color right here, which I think is quite similar to one of the shades in this palette, which I'll put up here. But I think that I want to use this color and I want to apply it with a relatively stiff but quite round brush. And I think I'll be applying this on my eyelid. I'm not sure where, but we'll see what happens. If you're new to my channel, you probably don't already know this, but I might as well inform you that I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing half of the time when it comes to makeup. Sometimes my makeup looks turn out beautiful, and then other times they turn out like some sort of like otherworldly awful creation. But either way, I always put it on the internet. I am applying a lot less pressure as I move the color into my crease area, simply because I want this area to be quite blended and diffused. And I forgot to do my brow bone highlight. Okay, this is fun. But there's a color in this palette that is quite like really light. It looks really foiled. It looks like, frankly, a fantastic brow bone highlight shade. So I'm going to take this color from the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm just going to apply it to my brow bone as a substitute for that specific color. By the way, I have done my eyebrows and my eyeshadow base, which is just foundation. So that is a step that I already finished. Okay, so far, this is turning into a relatively promising makeup look. So far, we'll see what happens. And I'm going to dip into this color right here from the Colored Raine Vivid Pigments palette, and this is going directly into my crease area. I kind of want to use this color to help blend / diffuse the blue that we already have in the crease, just for some added depth, snazziness, and definition. Because I'm not quite sure what to do next, I'm going to take the Cover FX foundation. Okay, this is like one that I've been experimenting with and trying to get to know a little bit better. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it, like literally like a tiny bit on the back of my head. Actually, this might be a little too much if I'm being completely honest. And I'm basically going to take this and just apply this first to the places on my face where I feel like I need it most, and then I'm just going to spread it around everywhere and blend it out with another brush. I'm going to take this color again, and I really want to like redefine my brow bone highlight. So I'm just going to do that really quickly. So I feel like this color from the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette is sort of similar to a color in the Blue Moon palette. So I'm just going to pick this up, and let me see, where do I want to put this? I think I kind of want to try and put it into my inner corner. Let's just see how that turns out. Okay, my friends, now what I want to do is I want to pick up this color. This is from the Hasina palette. I'm just like skipping around palettes right now, but I'm literally, like, I have like a whole bunch of palettes open in front of me and I'm using what I have, and let me promise you, you can as well. Anyway, I'm going to be picking up this color and literally just placing it right into the center portion of my eyelid with my fingers and just diffusing it out. Then I'll be going back in with this color, with this brush, and I'll be picking up this really beautiful blue color, and I'm just going to be reapplying this into my inner portion just to intensify it and kind of like bring some blue back into this look, because this is like a primarily blue toned eye look. I don't want this to become too silvery, even though I do love silver. I just want this to hold true to like the blue theme that we already have going on. I'm going to be picking up this color right here, which I think is quite similar to one of the colors in the palette. Have I said that already before? I have no idea. But this will be going into my lower lash line. Okay, not gonna lie, that brush is a little bit too fluffy for the intensity that I want it for, so I'm going to be using another brush. I'm literally just going to be stamping / swiping this color on, and also extending it into my top lash line as well, and just seeing what happens. Because this is like a blue look, and because I want to add a little bit of snazziness into it, this is going to be a colorful liner kind of day. And I'm going to be using this eyeliner right here from Colourpop. This is the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Bee Sting. And this is going to be used to line my waterline on my lower lash line. I want to add something a little bit special into my inner corner, so I'll just be taking this color right here and just applying this as an inner corner highlight. And now I'm going to take some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. While my lashes are getting tacky, I'm going to go to my face makeup, and I think that... Do I have products out in front of me that I can use, because I don't want to actually go into my makeup collection because I'm way too lazy to actually open a drawer? I have no idea. This is a highlight that I have in front of me, so I am going to use it today. This is the Tarte highlight in the shade Exposed. And I'm just going to apply this rather heavily to my cheekbones, because your girl needs that intensity. Then for some sculpting, I'm going to be opening this palette right here, and I'm just going to be taking this center like contour shade. It's rather tiny, so it's kind of hard to get like my brush into it. However, the contour powder, like, I have realized that I actually really do like this formula a lot, because like you can see, it gives you like this really natural looking highlights, not highlight, contour. It gives you like this really natural looking contour that I really do love. So this, for now, I really like this powder. Let me just put on my false lashes on super quickly, and then I'm going to be doing my lower lash mascara. So now for some lipstick, I'm going to be using the same lipstick that I used just the other day. This is the Milani Lipstick in the shade number 15, Hot Pink Rage. There's another lipstick in front of me that I actually do want to use as well. You don't have to do this step, of course. This is just like a discontinued lipstick from Estee Lauder, and I'm just going to put it right on top because this actually has a little bit of a glossier finish. I mean, I don't know, today I just wanted to go for like that creamy, glossier kind of finish. So I feel like this layering was something that I actually really do like. That pretty much concludes my video inspired by the Colourpop Blue Moon palette. I know I've been doing a lot of videos like this recently. Like, this is like what, my third video this week, doing a video like inspired by a palette, and my second one that I have done this week with Colourpop. But I really like doing this type of video because it just keeps motivating me to like just use the things that are already in my collection. And especially since I'm on a no buy, I feel like sometimes I get like a really bad case of FOMO, but this sort of like video format keeps me inspired to really dig into my own collection and see what I can create, see what I can do, like just based off of and inspired by new palettes, but using what I already own. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will do my best to construct a playlist with the other videos that I've done inspired by newly released palettes, and I'll try and put it in the cards. I'll see if I can remember to do that. Hopefully I can. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.